Jaclyn Hill has finally broken her silence about all the issues with her lipstick launch, and she claims that even though her products don't look very nice, they are safe and all the ingredients are FDA approved. However, there are literally dozens of people coming forward with claims that they've had to seek medical attention after using Jaclyn Hill's lipsticks. Can I get a recall or what? Welcome back to InformOverload. We do the news and spill the tea. I'm Charlotte Dovray, and ladies, I want to know what shade of lipstick you wearing? Cause I'm wearing MAC Cherish. It's my go-to, and guess what? It ain't got no bumps, it ain't got no holes, and it definitely ain't got no hairs. Hit that sub button for the spiciest news updates on YouTube, and follow the IO team on Instagram. Do it! So I'm about to serve you guys an update on the Jaclyn Hill cosmetics controversy. If you haven't seen our previous coverage on that, we did a whole 10-minute video on it a few days ago that will be clickable on your screen right about now, so you can get up to speed. But basically all you need to know is Jaclyn Hill released a line of lipsticks that so many people were reporting was unsanitary. People were finding bumps, pellets, hairs, holes, which are not things you would ever expect to find in a $2 lipstick from the dollar store, let alone an $18 lipstick, which is how much Jaclyn's products cost. Most people were saying that because Jaclyn took so long to release her line of lipsticks that they had to be expired, and that would explain all the weird things people were finding. Well, Jaclyn finally posted a response video to her channel called My Lipsticks. In it, she tries to give an explanation for the bumps, the grittiness, the fibers, the holes, and the damaged lipsticks she sent out to thousands of customers. Jaclyn says that her lipsticks went into production very recently. She said in the video, "My lipsticks are not moldy, they are not contaminated, they are not unsafe for you in any way, shape, or form. Every single ingredient in my lipsticks is new and FDA approved." She also went into specifics and talked about the fibers people were finding, and that is apparently due to the cotton gloves the lab workers were using. She said that because her lipsticks were silver, they didn't want to get fingerprints on her products, so they used cotton fibrous gloves, which is like, I'm sorry, that doesn't seem right. There are plenty of companies that have shiny packaging that manage to release lipsticks that are not hairy. Not hairy. And the white cotton gloves also don't explain the black hairs people were finding. Oh, and this explanation also doesn't really explain why her video on her website shows her using rubber gloves and the people working in her lab. So, Jaclyn explained that the holes that people are finding in their lipsticks are oxygen bubbles that are lifting to the surface when her lipstick bullet is being cooled off from a hot temperature. That one I could definitely agree with, although it's not an issue that I find on like any other lipstick product, so I'm not really sure why it's specific to Jaclyn's products. The bumps and grittiness are apparently all ingredients that haven't been mixed properly, but that also doesn't answer the question of quality control. Who the heck was looking at these lipsticks before they were sent out? Was no one checking? Did no one care? Because there are a lot of people who are experiencing these things, and I highly doubt problems like this would get past a professional cosmetics company performing quality control. Jaclyn apologized to anyone who's experiencing issues. She also said that if you are experiencing issues, email her company and send photos for a full refund as well as a new product for free. Yay, more hairy lipstick. Just what I need in my collection. Honestly, while I was watching this response video, and maybe this is just my personal opinion, I got like extreme anxiety. Jaclyn talked very quickly and very defensively. This was not a person who was sorry, this is a person who was being defensive and lashing out. It's like, dude, why are you mad at everyone else? It's not their fault your lipsticks are barely even lipsticks. In fact, there are a lot of people reporting that they are having to seek medical attention and go on antibiotics because they're having allergic reactions to Jaclyn's lipsticks. Okay. Twitter user Christy Lynn, who claims to be a longtime fan of Jaclyn Hill, said on Twitter, "After using the lipsticks for a bit, I've been noticing them getting worse. One just broke on me when I swatched it. I swatched all 10 on my arm and my arm is actually burning." The same Twitter user posted an update later on Twitter that said her bottom lip was swollen from the lipstick. She said, "Update, please ignore my gross face. I'm about to take some Benadryl and put an ice pack on them." She also shared 2 photos side by side of her normal lips versus her lips after using Jaclyn's lipstick. But it doesn't stop there. Oh no, it does not. Here's another Twitter user named Megan, who claims that she's now on antibiotics after using Jaclyn Hill's lipstick. Her tweet said, "This is what happens when you try on lipstick without even looking at the lipstick first. Lesson learned because now my lips are swollen and I have to be on antibiotics." She said the lipstick specifically as if Amazeballs and Fussy are broken and gritty. Jaclyn Hill, I'm so disappointed. Another Twitter user, "My lips are completely swollen and dry AF. They've had a severe reaction to the damn lipsticks, hence this brown line on my top lip. You should be effing ashamed of yourself, Jaclyn Hill." Dude, that allergic reaction is the worst one I've seen yet. Cynthia tweeted, "My lips have been red, irritated, dry, and itchy today. Please note I take very good care of my lips. I wear chapstick every day and exfoliate when needed. Yesterday I filmed and reviewed a first impressions video." Megan tweeted, "Jaclyn Cosmetics, my birthday is June 17th and now my lips are so swollen and I'm on antibiotics antibiotics for 7 days. I truly really believed in her after what everyone said about her. I still supported her and bought her stuff, and this is how her fans get treated. So listen, I've just shared with you 5 different people who are having horrible experiences with Jaclyn Hill's lipstick. So no, her lipsticks aren't safe to use, and I'm fully aware that maybe people could be faking their allergic reactions. I don't know, but the thing is that would also be perjury. You can't go online and damage someone's brand and reputation without repercussions. Some of these tweets have thousands of likes and retweets. If these people did lie, they have a massive lawsuit from Jaclyn Hill coming their way. I will also let you guys know that at this time a petition has been started against Jaclyn Cosmetics. Since it began on Monday, it's been signed by over 16,000 people. The petition will be sent to the Federal Drug Administration, and let's hope the FDA investigates and Jaclyn is forced to recall her products. Kinda sucks that she needs to be forced to do a recall, but better than having those lipsticks out in the open. So this is all I have for you guys on this update. Let me know what you think down there in the comments. For now, I'm gonna respond to some comments from my last video about Jaclyn Cosmetics. Omar RC said, "Oh my god, what if this is what starts the zombie apocalypse? That would be terrifying, but also very unlikely. I can just picture like scary zombies with swollen lips, just like Sorry. Marler House said, "You mean lipstick doesn't normally need electrolysis?" Not usually. Alan Ashes said, "If I'm ever mega rich, I'm hiring Charlotte to keep me humble and centered." That is very sweet. I wish I could also keep myself centered. I'm definitely an anxious mess most of the time. Sinbad said, "Girl, you crack me up." Girl! That makes me happy. That's it for me. Thanks for watching. If you want to keep watching, we put together a playlist for you with a bunch of videos just like this one. And obviously, if you like this video, you should leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those notifications, and I'll see you in a future IO video.